What if I told you that three simple questions could completely reshape your future, your choices, your relationships, even your happiness? The scary part: most people never ask them. Welcome back to 5 Minute Genius, where we take the biggest questions in life and turn them into powerful tools for your growth. Today, we're not just talking about questions, we're talking about the three essential life questions that can completely redirect the course of your life. If you've ever felt lost, stuck, or unsure about what you're really doing with your time, this video could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Why questions matter? Humans are meaning seeking creatures. From the time we're children, we ask why. Why is the sky blue? Why do we go to school? Why do people act the way they do? But somewhere along the way, life gets loud. We stop asking the hard questions and we start running on autopilot. And here's the dangerous truth: autopilot living leads to regret. Psychologists have found that people near the end of their lives rarely regret what they did. They regret what they never questioned, what they never tried, the choices they never made because they were too busy just going with the flow. If you don't stop and ask yourself the right questions now, you risk waking up one day wondering how you ended up in a life that doesn't even feel like yours. But here's the exciting part: you can stop that from happening. You can take control, and it starts with these three essential life questions. Let's dive into the first one, because the sooner you ask it, the sooner your life will start to make sense. The transformation. Three essential life questions. Question number one: who am I really? This might sound simple, but most people can't answer it. Who are you when no one's watching? When no one is telling you what to do, when you're not trying to impress anyone, who are you? We live in a world full of noise: social media, family expectations, career pressure, and it's easy to mistake who we think we should be for who we actually are. But if you never clarify this, you'll live a life designed for someone else. Take a quiet moment this week. Write down the things that make you come alive. Write down your values, your strengths, your passions. This question is about peeling back the layers until you see the real you. Once you know who you are, the next question is about where you're going. If this video is already giving you clarity, make sure to subscribe to 5 Minute Genius. We create content that helps you ask smarter questions, make better decisions, and design a life that actually feels like yours. Hit subscribe right now, because every video we make is one step closer to the life you actually want. Question number two: what do I truly want? This question can be terrifying. Why? Because admitting what you really want might require you to change. It might mean walking away from a job, ending a relationship, or starting from zero again. But here's the truth: ignoring this question won't make the longing go away. It will just turn into quiet frustration that follows you everywhere. Researchers say that people who set goals aligned with their true desires are significantly happier and more resilient even when life throws challenges their way. Every day you avoid this question is a day you spend climbing the wrong mountain. Ask yourself, if I wasn't afraid, what would I go after right now? Write it down. Look at it every day. Let it scare you, because that fear is a sign you're finally getting close to what really matters. But knowing what you want isn't enough. There's one last question that will determine whether you actually go after it. Question number three: what am I willing to do about it? This is where everything changes, because self-awareness without action is just daydreaming. This question forces you to turn your vision into a plan. What sacrifices are you willing to make? What habits are you willing to build? What excuses are you willing to stop using? This is the question that transforms you from someone who thinks about a better life to someone who actually lives it. Write down three small actions you can take this week that move you closer to what you want, then take them. The shift doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen, and once it does, momentum becomes unstoppable. The resolution, your next step. Here's the challenge: don't just watch this video and move on. Sit down tonight and write your answers to these three questions, even if they feel messy, even if you don't have it all figured out. Because clarity doesn't come all at once, it comes in layers. The more you ask, the clearer things get. And here's the urgent truth: if you don't ask these questions now, someone else will answer them for you. Life will choose for you. Society will choose for you. And one day, you'll wake up living a story that was never yours. But if you ask them now and take action, you write your own story. If this video made you pause and think, imagine what a whole library of wisdom could do for you, hit that subscribe button to 5 Minute Genius and join thousands of others who are committed to living intentionally, because the quality of your life is shaped by the quality of the questions you ask, and this is just the beginning.